Hi, I'm Keegan. Thanks for buying my fishing gears. Let's make a set. First, you need a bucket. You probably already have one, but you can pick one up almost anywhere. You need some PVC pipe, I'd say at least 5 feet, and my fishing gears. You want to measure the inside of your bucket. They're usually around 14 inches, but yours might vary a little bit. Cutting PVC pipe is pretty easy. I'm not going to tell you how to do it, but almost anything that you can cut wood with, you can cut PVC pipe. Hand tools, power tools, chop saw, table saw, whatever you're comfortable with. Cut as many pieces as you want rods to hold, up to 12 for one bucket. Once you got your pieces, lay them out. You'll need at least 3 or 4 for a stable installation. Start with the smaller ring. That goes on the bottom. It's up to you how you space them, but try to space them as evenly as possible. A little bit of downward pressure, kind of hold them in place. Top ring, lock them in. And I like to give it a little push, reach down through, push the bottom wood again. Just make sure it's nice and snug. You don't need any other mechanical fasteners at all. Just friction holds it in place, and it's quite secure. Here you could hold 4 fishing poles, but it'll hold up to 12. So if you need to, you can keep adding PVC pipe. Like I mentioned before, you can add up to 12 pieces of PVC to hold 12 fishing poles. And you're done. All you have to do is put it in the garage, on the dock, on the pontoon boat, load it up with poles. Makes a really easy way to store your fishing poles up out of the way. Super easy to pick them up all at once. They don't get tangled. They won't fall out unless you do something stupid. And that's it. Pretty easy. Thank you very much for buying my fishing gears. Happy fishing!